I mean, I say, hear me now. This is a soul fire production. Soul fire production. Soul fire production.
Yes, welcome back to Night's Kitchen, viewers and subscribers. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to make dumpling, okay? Boiled dumpling, Jamaican boiled dumpling. Okay, so I've got a request from someone who have asked for me to demonstrate or show them how to make boiled dumpling. So, what I've got here is my cornmeal, okay? And I've got plain flour. Plain flour, okay? And I'm using a tablespoon of salt. I'm just going to pour it in the cornmeal, it doesn't matter. Then I'm going to add the cornmeal to the flour, okay? And I've got some water there. So I'm going to mix that in. So just let me wash my hands quickly and demonstrate how you need your flour. And guys, you have to put cornmeal. We don't eat dumpling unless cornmeal is inside it. Unless it's wheat flour. Okay, so I've washed my hands, dry. Let me just stir that in so you can see what it's supposed to look like when you mix it. And if you look closely, you'll see that the cornmeal mixing with the flour. And that's, you can put more cornmeal in there if you want, guys. And I put just a tablespoon of salt added to it. And I'm just adding the water. Not too much at once. Just pour. Looking at this, I don't think I'll need any more water. Got enough in here. There you go, guys. Dumpling finished neat. As you can see the color. You can see the cornmeal color inside here, okay? And what I'll be having that with, today is, I've got yam, banana, and having that with mackerel, grace mackerel, hot and spicy. Yes, guys, so I'm about to start making the dumpling to put straight in the pot. So what I've got here is my pot of water, yeah, come to a boil, and also I've added a tip of salt in there, not much, probably about a teaspoonful. But before I start doing that, wash my hands again. And guys, when you're making the dumpling, always wash your hands and dry it properly, because it's important that when you're making dumpling, you know, deal with it like any other food. Need to be clean. So I'm taking off about that much flour, probably a bit too much. About that much flour, and then I just knead it in. Roll it around, give it a little, just tap straight down. And guys, remember, this is plain flour, not self-rising. Plain flour, and I've added cornmeal. And just make them, put them straight in. And I'll show you how to deal with the banana as well. There's a way I peel the banana to put in the pot. Alright guys, so I've made all the dumpling now and they're all in the pot. So once you put all the dumpling in there, just give it a stir. Don't use a spoon I just give it a stir so nothing stick to the bottom of the pot. You know? Even if you're using a non-stick pot, always give it a stir. Alright guys, so dumpling going. And I'm just adding a few slices of yam, cut round nice, wash, add that in. Again, because I've just added that, give it a stir, make sure everything mix. And then I'll be adding the banana in a second, but I leave that for about 5 minutes. Yes guys, so I'm preparing the bananas before I put them in the pot. So just cut off the top and the bottom, and then I'm just marking the banana like that. Just run the knife slightly. Don't dig into it too deep. Just put it straight down in there. Then mark it. As I said, mark it. Slightly mark it. You don't need to dig into the banana too deep. So cut off that side. And then cut off that side. And then just mark it down. Like that. Okay? And once I've done that, I've got some hot water in the kettle. I'm just going to pour it over the banana like that. Just over this. And sometimes the skin and the banana, so what the hot water do is just soften the skin of the banana. And then that helps you to remove the skin without breaking the banana coming apart. Also, if you choose to, you can wash the banana and leave them in the skin and put them straight in the pot. But for me, I like to remove the skin. So I just show you a quick demonstration how to remove the skin. So leave that for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then come back and I show you to remove the skin. Yes guys, so I'm going to be removing the skin from the banana now. So just to show you, it becomes so easy and simple, no hassle needed. See? What I normally do is take off that little black spot. And that's ready now, and that can go straight in the pot. Okay, I'll just leave the lid halfway. That way you can just take the skin off quite quickly, very quick. Simple process, guys. Guys, when you're doing this, you can also put a bit of cooking oil or oil on your hands, you know, if you're afraid of the stain. That goes straight in. So just by doing this, prevent the banana from breaking into like 3, 4, 6 different pieces. Just remove it easily for you. And also remove some of the stain, surprisingly. Yes guys, so it's a simple way, some ground provision for dinner today, and also it's brilliant. So now I've added the bananas. I'm still gonna give it a stir so that everything will be. And never, guys, you don't have to cover your pot fully because it will come straight over. Just leave it like halfway. For a bit of air to go in. The flame there is just right. Remember to throw away your hot water. Alright guys, so The meal is now completed. So as you can see, I've got cornmeal dumpling, as in boiled dumpling, boiled yam, and boiled banana, and I'm serving this with mackerel in tomato sauce. Okay. So guys, please remember to subscribe, comment and share, and hit the notification button. And guys, if you can't cook it, as I said, night it.